Good morning everyone, welcome to another Vlogmas. So today I am going to make crispy pata. This crispy pata is for tomorrow, but I'm going to boil my pork today, so tomorrow it will be ready to fry. I already salted the pork meat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the things that is going on the soup. So we have bay leaves, some whole black pepper, 2 heads of garlic. So last first class, we also made crispy pata, but we made it on the stove, so it took forever to boil to make the porks soft. I forgot I have a pressure cooker that I inherited in my previous marriage, so we're gonna use this. We put some water now. Yeah, it fits. It's enough water. So now we're gonna put all our spices. So we have our garlic, bay leaves, some peppercorns. I never really use pressure cooker, but I guess you just like. Okay, I guess that's it. We have bed now. New bed. This is heavy. Our bed now. Very nice.
Very nice.
So gamay, but so nice.
My God.
So nice, no? A bed is upgraded.
Mom, I want to tulog now.
Tulog na. Today I am here in Sheintan Ridge again. So I'm doing some hiking again. I mean, look at this view. It's beautiful here. I've been liking coming here because it's a perfect way to go hiking and be in nature. And on the top I can do some vlog because it's quiet. There's no people very much. I like it very much here. And I mean, look at this view. Look at this view. It's amazing. You can bring your bike on the top, but I prefer the hiking because I get to have my cardio. I don't do much cardio, so I am out of breath. Anyways, I will see you on the top. So we have reached the top, and I just bought water, and I'm going to my favorite spot, which is a bit of a walk. Wow, it's very slippery. Look at this view. It's so quiet here. We can have a picnic here, a date with someone, romantic date, or just hang out here to read, have coffee. They have also food here, so you can order food. Okay. Yeah, so nice. Oh, look at the flowers, so beautiful. Perfect. This place reminds me of my childhood home. I grew up hanging out on backyards like this, picking flowers, and just spending all my summer afternoons in places like this with my fairy friends, imaginary fairy friends.